Hello everyone. Welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, last day in November the 30th, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. There's also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, a lot of extra Sudokus, 9 I believe. Half of them I will solve. And the news of today is, a new variant of the corona virus, Omicron, yes, is discovered. Not this week, but I believe they told us last week there was someone first with Omicron here in the Netherlands. So that's the news of today. But first, we will solve this number 3755. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. 27. Should be an easy one, because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, this one will be a 1 star. For a 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then alright, the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. How about the 6 in this row, the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 and 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Let me put some numbers. Yeah. Well, no. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 2 boxes. There's 707 in that box. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. Three missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9 is missing. 4 and 9. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Right, the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 2 boxes. There 707 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 707 there, here 707 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7. Well, I cannot continue with the 7 anymore. How about the number 5? These 2 numbers, the missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. These 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay, 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. Well, I cannot continue with the 3. Oh, correction. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, and no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 number left in the last row for the number 1. 2 is missing. Alright. Then how about let me see. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes here. 7. Okay. Cannot continue with the 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about these 2 numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 2 numbers left in this middle column for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. How about these 2 numbers? In this row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. We have a 2 there. 3, 4, the 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those. How about these 2 numbers? In the middle row for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. Wow. 1, 8, and the 7. Interesting. 1 and 8 and 7. How about these 2 numbers in the third column? The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. I need pairs to eliminate some numbers. How about one. Let me think. Think. How about a 5, 5, 5, 5? 2 and a 4. And the 8. Yeah, 8 in this row, the 8 in the second row. So first row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 numbers in this big square, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 4 in this big square. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 2. Finish in 40 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes. I need for a 1 star. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the heavy, for the medium, for the light Sudoku, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries, for the letter Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles, I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And we will meet later on in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Yeah, 4 puzzles or 5 puzzles. 5, I believe. In the additional. So see you later. Bye bye. For now.